Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we want to see how many how much laundry detergent is used by all of the United States per year. So we can say that there are approximately 3 times 10 to the 8th people living in the United States, so around 300 million people. Each of them do we can say a load and a half per week per person. So we can say 1.5 loads of laundry per week per person. And then we're going to multiply this by 52 weeks per year. And then we can multiply the amount of laundry detergent that they use. So we can say 0.1 kilograms, so about 100 grams of laundry detergent for every 1 load of laundry. And we find that this is going to be equal to 2.34 times 10 to the 9th kilograms for every 1 year. This is our final answer. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.